Sweetie, calm down.
I'll never say another word in the car. I swear to God. I'm not getting in the car.
I dare you.
I'm not getting in the car with you again. We're done.
Oh,
We're done.
again. Got new gloves.
What's that noise, you ask? The kit car is next to us. So we're gonna probably be tired of hearing that.
Or I'll just do a season pass on Hulu for Knight Rider and just start, or the A-Team.
Give into it, yes.
Yes, well, actually, I already season passed the A-Team.
You did?
Don't judge me. Yeah, I got like 40 episodes right now on my tablet and my phone to watch the A-Team. I pity the fool. Do you pity the fool?
God pity you. Here's our setup. It's not really set up yet, but we're set up.
I mean, we stopped there for lunch. I might get one made for my truck. You know?
Let me know. I like that one, so I'll order the exact same one.
What's that?
You need one bigger for your truck.
Yeah. Do you see what this is made out of?
What?
Sorry, I can't stop coughing.
It's a coffin, is what he's trying to say.
Please edit that out. I didn't realize how douchey that was going to be.
Now, honey, if I edited out every douchey thing you said, we wouldn't have a YouTube channel.
Oh, see, this is the part where I tell you to stick it completely up your pie hole. Okay.
I think they got candy. That's pretty cool.
So they needed something to grab your attention before obviously strobe lights and stuff. So that company made that light, and it sweeps, it does all kinds of stuff, and it catches your eye in the mirror. That's what they call it, the light from Mars, because the name of the company is Mars.
I feel like everybody died in these ambulances back in the day.
Oh yeah, it was called swoop and scoop. You swoop in, scooped them up, and drove them to the hospital.
They weren't working on you in the back.
You see what kind of lollipops these are? They're Dum-Dums.
I love Dum-Dums.
I love Dum-Dums too. Peanut colada. Yeah. But then they changed our tattoo policy, so now I'm now trying to get a full sleeve. I just got to get it filled in, get the rest of the way.
I had red in his car.
Is that right?
And a little bit on his,
And it faded.
Joyce taking the pill and walked the sheriff from Jericho Hill. He said, Willie, your name is not Jack Brown. You're the dirty hack that shot your woman down. So your name is Willie Lee. You got a warrant just to read it to me.
So we got some food. They had a vegetarian truck, and I was really excited because I got a falafel sandwich, and I got samosas, and Brian got, what's it called? A fat burger?
A fat burger.
You know that's good. And then we both got these apple cider, vodka, ginger beer cocktails, and that's my new fall drink. JS. And I almost dropped everything coming over here from the food trucks. And I had a meltdown because I'm a psycho bitch.
When they read it right over, he goes, I said, I'm not sure if I have a chip or not. He goes, well, I have a call sheet. I don't know what that
That is the funniest shirt I've seen all day.
Why did it say married to an immigrant?
Ice. I'm married to an immigrant. Get into the take of what? Take his what?
Is that the joke?
That's the joke. Like sort of like an Al and Peg Bundy joke.
Give me 5 on that.
You know?
Right back.
Brilliant.
Al, do you miss me? Yeah, with the first barrel, but I hope I'll get you with the second barrel. You know, stuff like that. What? Oh boy. So, I'm about to go make a new drink,
What's it called?
a Radar,
Why is it called a radar?
because it's grape knee-high and Tito's vodka.
Because we were at State Line Liquors earlier.
Notice I'm doing the Radar now. Yeah, in case you all didn't know, he's missing a couple fingers, and he always hit it by a clipboard or something.
Wow.
Spoiler.
Radar O'Reilly from MASH. We are going to make these drinks in his honor. He always ordered a grape knee-high. What was the name of the bar that they went in?
Rosie's Bar.
Rosie's Bar, that's right.
Any MASH, first 3 seasons, I'm in. After that, Henry died, I'm good. I'm out.
Yeah, Colonel Potter was not my jam.
Potter was a dork.
He was, well, he was kind of a jerk.
And BJ Honeycutt, yeah, never
No,
liked him.
Trapper John.
Trapper
John, Frank Burns.
Hot Lips.
After that, yeah. God,
Did you know
really
that
bad.
Hot Lips and Frank Burns were banging it out?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I didn't know that. So tell them what happened today.
No, I'm not going to tell them what happened today. We're not doing that right now. We're going to
Why?
do that tomorrow.
I'm going to tell them what happened. It involves people blowing the horn and waving. And because I was towing my car today.
On 95.
On I-95.
We had issues.
Yeah. If you're wondering what kind of car I have, look me up. But anyway, we had an issue.
We
And
just had a little issue.
a little issue. That possibly would have... You'd all heard about it on the news if these kind citizens didn't pull up next to us. But
So we're going to make a
some
radar. We'll film us making a radar.
See, anything I mix with Tito's, I give it a name from a 70s.
Oh, I have to explain that.
Yes.
We have to explain that. Okay. So he likes to watch a lot of 70s TV shows, in case you haven't figured that out yet. And he likes to name his drinks after these 70s shows. He's obsessed with Rockford Files. So
Best show out there.
there are 3 drinks that he makes that are inspired by Rockford Files. The first one is the Rockford. Tell them what's in it.
Oh boy. Well, how about the Angel Martin is the iced tea.
And Tito's.
Tito's. The Rockford was
Lemonade.
Lemonade. That's right, lemonade and Tito's. And then how about when I did fruit punch and Tito's? What did I call that? Do you remember that one?
It was the chick.
It was the McGarrett.
Oh, yeah, because Hawaii.
Because I was using Hawaiian
But what,
punch for a while.
You named one after the girl that.
Which was Rita, the hooker?
No. Rockford's like longtime lawyer.
Oh, the Beth Davenport. We called it
the
a Davenport.
Davenport.
What was that?
I can't remember.
Was that the one where we...
You did half and half?
Was that the one where I did the watermelon schnapps in it?
Oh.
Was that the Beth?
It might have been.
Was that the Davenport?
It might have been.
Or was it when I did a half... Oh, remember I made a half and half.
I just said that.
I don't remember. Everything gets a name. Everything gets a 70s TV name.
Yes. We've created multiple drinks.
And we forget what's in them usually. But I know
No, we don't.
The Rockford, the Angel Martin, and McGarrett for Hawaii 5. Did you know McGarrett had the best hair in TV?
I think that's not true.
Yes, he did. Look it up.
David
McGarrett
Hasselhoff had much better hair.
Hasselhoff. Hasselhoff couldn't carry McGarrett's jock.
Shut up.
Are you kidding?
This stuff is insane. I'm not even kidding.
It's cracking a tube.
We stopped at State Line Liquors and they have a really nice cheese selection and they have nuts and crackers and some gourmet, some gourmet stuff. And this was so good. We're getting this again. Definitely. Stop.
I've never had grape knee-high.
Me neither.
It just smells like grape Fanta.
Yeah, it's grape soda. Don't drink it. Are you making two or what? Wow, one way. Thanks. Thanks. No, just give me a red Solo cup.
I could give you,
Oh my God.
you know, I've been on the go for 2 days.
I know, Brian, me too. I've been on the go for 49 years, thanks.
Oh my.
Jesus. I'm gonna try this. It's pretty good.
It's not bad. It's not a game changer, but it's not bad.
It's pretty good.
It's very sweet, but it's good. I mean, I like it. I'd drink it again.
I have diabetes already. It's so sugary. It's so sugary. I'm not kidding. We're at Bar Roja, Charlie Square. Haven't been here before. It's the old Scratch Magoo's. So we just placed an order for like a bunch of tacos with like special stuff and
No guac.
no guac and whatnot. And so she didn't write any of it down. I get so nervous when they don't write it down, and we don't think she's gonna bring us back anything that we ordered.
Yeah,
But
she's
we
actually running to Taco Bell right now to get her
She's
order.
not.
So I went in the bathroom and I looked at the mirror as I was washing my hands and I looked at my hair. I'm pretty sure I should be in a barbershop quartet with my hair. I don't know what the hell is going on here today. I look like I should have one of them white shirts with the thing around my arms
No,
and
you look good.
singing in harmony with 6 other dudes.
You look good. Shut
Yeah.
up. You look
Yeah.
so cute. No, this is not the amber. It's weird that it's in a can too.
I've never had it in a can, that's why I'm trying it.
Kind of strange.
No, it's just regular rice.
So we got our meals. I got 2 shrimp chipotle tacos, 1 Baja fish taco. We got a side of rice, black beans. Brian, what kind of tacos did you get?
I kind of forgot. I got 2
You got-
shrimp.
Yeah.
I got pork, and I got the beef
No, you got the shrimp, the potato and
sausage,
chorizo.
chorizo.
Everything looks good. Let's get candy.
What's that?
Let's get candy.
Oh, look, they got almond joys. Full daddy.
I want all
That's
this.
a giant chocolate chip, man.
Delicious. We just came to Charlie Square Acme.
Wow.
It was
Oh,
an
wow.
adventure.
I saw a guy in shorts, flip-flops, wearing a maroon blazer.
A maroon velvet blazer.
Maroon velvet blazer.
He
and,
he was literally wearing the F-boy uniform.
and he put
If
on
you know what I'm
mirrored,
talking
blue
about.
mirrored sunglasses.
He was such a douche.
about a mile before the front door.
He was an absolute douchebag. Not to be judgmental,
But to be judgmental.
but I'm so judgmental. Ooh.
And apparently in the parking lot, nobody here knows how to goddamn drive. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. All this for cheesesteak strombolis.
It'll be worth it, yay!
Shirt's got,
But you're taking
look
your
at this
shirt
collar.
off.
Look at this. I mean, you could put this over a bull's head. Jesus, Mary and Joseph is one of my favorite goddamn shirts.
He buys his, stop saying GD. He buys his clothes all too big.
Oh, really, Sister Mary?
Well, I don't say that. I'll say,
Stop saying GD.
okay. Anywho.
No, it was PG, but all right.
It's not PG. So anywho, He buys all of his clothes like way too big. I have no
I'm not
idea
pouting, I'm
why.
just sitting here with my arms folded.
He buys like 2XL shirts and he doesn't need 2XL.
Because I like being comfortable. Is there a problem with that?
No,
Everybody says I got boobs, so I wear a baggy
you
shirt.
don't
so I
have boobs, you
boobs.
have pecs. The people who say that don't work out and they don't understand what pecs are.
No, even the people that work out go, good God, you got a nice rack on you. So, like, really? So I just, it's like I don't wear sweatshirts all day long. This is not going to be a lay on the couch moment with Brian. and
Anywho,
talk about what happened in your childhood.
what did happen in your childhood?
We are not going there.
We don't
There's
have
not
enough time
enough
for that, right?
There's not enough time on YouTube for that.
So,
It involves my mother, and
don't do that.
I'm not.
Don't
I'm
do
not.
that. I want to talk about yesterday and the car show.
Oh, is this our follow up for the? We're done for the weekend?
No,
Oh, okay.
no. I want to talk about the car show and about the transporting of the vehicle.
To and from.
To and from.
Okay. For those you don't know, I have an old muscle car that I've owned since 2001.
Ignore our scanner.
Yeah. We'll just turn that down.
We like to know when the police are coming to the
Stuff
door.
is popping. Right. Right.
So we
We
can
run
run
out
out the
the
back
way so we
door.
can hide everything.
We don't have anything to hide.
So I own a 69 Camaro that I've owned since 2001. Totally redone, inside and out. It's my baby. It's my dream, you know. So I've been towing it since 2004. Towed it 1,000 times. I could tow this car blindfolded. Am I going to tell the entire story? I'll
interject.
I'll tell the up story. You can tell the back story.
Yeah.
So I loaded it up before I had to go to work the night before, which would have been Friday. And Saturday morning on the way up, I started smelling electrical burning. And I thought, that's odd. I've never smelled electrical burning. So I started unplugging everything. Still smelled it. I figured, well, my truck's about to catch on fire. That was the first one. So then I realized I had my vent on and it was a truck driving ahead of me that had electrical smell. So further up, my trailer would start swaying anything above 60 miles an hour to the point where the trailer was doing this. It kept doing it till I got up to here, and at that point I was doing anything over 45 miles an hour. My trailer was swaying all over the road. Well, it seems that and I'm going to admit that I did this wrong, I didn't pull my car far enough up on my trailer. And it was shaking the car so much that it loosened the strap. So basically the car, my dream, my priceless to me car, was basically sliding back and forth, front and back, side to side on my trailer, causing my trailer to sway. I'll let her tell the story of the ride home.
Okay, so we do the car show. And it takes him like pretty much the entire car show to calm down from the experience of bringing the car up.
Yes.
So then we load up because we're going to take it back down because it's going to rain all day today. Although right now it's bright sunshine, Sunday in Wilmington. I have no idea. It was raining. It was pouring.
And it's hot out.
It's hot out. I actually had an appearance today that they canceled because of the rain. So we decided to take the car back and put it in the storage shed. So we are going down 95 and your glasses are not crooked.
Yes, they are. I have to get them fixed.
We're going down 95 and somebody pulls up. Like, okay, so the thing with the car is people always pull up next to you and honk to be like, yeah, cool car. You know, they love to see the car and everything. And so you get used to that. So somebody pulls up and starts honking and he rolls down the window because I guess they had their window down. He's like,
I was like, yeah.
It's a 69, cool.
Yeah.
No, they were like, your ramps are down.
Your ramps are falling out of the back of the trailer.
Which, that's a problem.
That's what you use to drive up onto the trailer with.
So those are dragging along on I-95. So immediately he pulls over and goes back and he comes back up and he's like, well, one of them's gone.
Gone.
And
never to be seen again,
it's like,
that we thought.
Oh my God. So he turned around and looked and there it is. It's like way back. I guess the rumble strip knocked it off when he was pulling over. So he goes and gets that, tries to put it in. It won't go in. He's trying to wedge it in. It's like because it's a little messed up. And so he just throws it in the back of the truck. And then we're heading down. And then he starts like slowing down. And I'm like, what are you doing? And he's like, well, you got to watch the sway. I'm like, well, what's the sway? He's like, oh, if it starts swaying too much, it'll just tip the whole thing over and we'll flip on our roof. And I was like, so for the whole trip down, I'm like ready to start smoking. I'm ready to tell him to pull over and find cigarettes because I'm ready to go back to smoking.
She was actually chewing on her fingers the whole.
It's
like, what is wrong with you?
It was like the worst trip. It was the worst trip ever. And I said, no more car shows. We're done.
So the road between here and Baltimore is ridiculous. The middle lane, it's got like a swale to it, and whenever I pull my trailer, it'll sometimes do that, even if it's loaded right. So, and I told her, once the car settles in, it'll be fine. And it did. It was smooth sailing the whole way. Like, we could run 75, 80 miles an hour at that point with the car. It just, because it stayed straight. So, but yeah, she goes, I will start breathing once the car is unloaded.
Once the car was safely in to the storage unit, I was like, thank you, Jesus.
So, but if you want to see what kind of car it is, Nasty Nikki, at Nasty Nikki on Instagram, or Nasty Nikki, or I'm sorry,
at Nasty Nikki 69
on Instagram
and Facebook.
And Facebook, Nasty Nikki 69. Yes.
I can't tell you the stress I'm under every time that car is out of that storage unit. I'm completely stressed.
When you ride with her in that car, watch this car, speed up.
And you yelled at me because
when did I yell at you? I said, I see it. Calm down. Because
I like being told to calm down a lot.
Because look,
I worry about that car. I worry about your car.
I've left car shows with crowds of people in the past, so I know what it's like. You just creep and they'll move. She's yelling out the window, "Excuse us!" You know.
Really? Was that exactly how I sounded?
That's exactly how you sounded.
Thanks.
Like, I was like...
Literally not going to talk to you.
I thought Mel from Al's Diner, from Alice, was in the passenger seat.
You know what?
Like, she was going to take a spatula.
I won't say another word.
Listen,
I don't give a shit about
I
your
thought you were
car.
going to take it...
Whatever. You could be driving it right off of a cliff.
I hope I do.
You could be Thelma and Louise in it.
Is that right?
And I'll just keep my mouth shut. I'll just like, looking out the window going,
That'd be a shocker. That'd be a change. Be changing. I seriously thought you were going to go, bing, hey, dingbat, pick up. But you excuse us, out the window. But they moved. So, and then it was like, speed hump. I was like, sweetie, calm down.
I'll never say another word in the car. I swear to God. I'm not getting in the car with you. I'm not getting in the car with you again. We're done.
Oh.
We're done.
Again.